Have you got too much on your plate, just too many things to do? Here is one principle that is going to help you enormously, and it is to make things easy. Well, you say, well, that's not so smart, Anthony. Of course, that's really obvious. But the point is this: if you make things convenient, if you make things that are going to happen anyway, then you don't have to worry about them. Now, subscription companies use this to their advantage because if you don't cancel, your subscription is going to keep coming out every single month. And so I've been reading a book called Nudge. And the idea here is that your default option, what is the simplest option, is going to happen anyway. And so in designing your own life, your own workspace, your own to-do lists, work out what can you set up that is going to happen anyway. Can you set up auto pay for certain bills, for example, for as many bills as you want? Can you set up cancellations for things that you don't want? Can you make things easy? If you're designing forms or if you're designing systems, how can you make it that the default option is the easiest? Think how often we stick with the default options on our calendars, on our phones, on alarms, whatever. We stick with the default options. And so, what can you do? What can you set up that is going to be the default, that is going to happen anyway, just to make your life easy and to reduce an enormous amount of that clutter that's in your head that makes you feel so busy?